Okay, so yesterday we started talking about Unit 4, Lesson 12, Systems of Equations.
We kind of stopped though.
Yeah, we stopped, so.
Okay, I could not get the second one though. The why equals.
I'm going to tell you so we can talk about it.
Okay, tell me.
Okay,
Tell me
so-
about attitude. So unit 4.
So this first problem, the milkshake problem, it takes Diego 30 seconds and it takes Lynn 48 seconds. It takes Lynn 48 seconds and it takes Diego 30 seconds. Okay? So without actually drawing it, let's think about what this situation looks like on a graph, but we're not going to draw it. What does Lynn's line look like for when he was eating or drinking? Where does it start?
12.
Lynn starts at 12, okay? So we'll say maybe here. And where does Diego start?
20.
What?
20.
At 20. Okay. How long does it take Lynn to finish?
48 seconds.
38? And how long does it take Diego to finish?
30.
30. So, are their lines going up or are their lines going down?
Down.
Okay. Lynn takes 48 seconds. So, no, we're just thinking about it. And Diego takes 30 seconds, right?
Wait, we don't.
I just told you that.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So we do know. Because I told you. So, who is drinking faster?
Diego.
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 Because he finishes more in less time. It's steeper. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
Yes.
never mind. Never mind. Figured it out.
So, if we are given how much of something is at 0, how much they've drank at 0 seconds, and we've been given how much they have, how long it takes them, we can draw a line with just the beginning and the ending information. Right?
I'm like, no.
Do negative numbers make sense in this situation?
No, not really.
I mean, you're not going to have negative time. I mean, maybe if you had negative time, but we know where they started, and we wouldn't have negative amount. So, yeah, negative numbers don't really make sense there. Okay. Huh?
Wait, is this on the purple or white?
White.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Okay. We're going to get in groups of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So I'm going to give you guys like 30 seconds to get into a group of 2. Yeah. I am today. Yep. Yeah. I want you to get into groups of 2 because I want you to be able to discuss it. So I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Move into a group of 2.
Brayden, come here.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
I have 30 seconds, so I'm just gonna.
Bring a chair. Oh, no. Just use that one.
Okay.
Oh, me? And you? Hey, but I want you guys to have different workspaces because of COVID. Thank you. So maybe just,
You're gonna have to move your computer.
there. Don't break my computer.
Can I put this yellow
Don't worry
thing
about me, Mrs.
Yes.
Cummings.
Don't worry about me.
I'll just have your mom buy me a new one.
We have my mom on speed dial. I'm not terribly
Okay.
concerned.
So now that almost everyone is in groups of 2, we are going to,
Probably memorize my address.
I have it auto-saved in my,
Yes, you do.
actually, okay. I want you to read over the hiking, passing on the trail.
Okay.
I want you to read that problem and talk about it for a couple minutes.
It's right here. So there's a hiking trail near the town where Han and Jada live that starts at the parking lot and it ends at a lake. Han and Jada both decide to hike from the parking lot to the lake and back, but they start their hikes at different times. At the,
They're gonna hear us so loud. Just move it on like.
at the time that they reaches the lake, it starts to turn red. Jada is 0.6 miles from the parking lot.
Goes into the next page. There's like one more to do the same
So this got me to move your computer.
Okay.
So they didn't hear every breath that we take.
They might want to hear everybody.
No, they don't need to.
Logan and Bridget and Addie
Well,
and Adriana.
to be completely honest, I need to ask you a question first. Did you post this while we were doing disciplinary? Did you post those
When you
videos
were doing this, when were you doing this?
right after Christmas break?
No,
Oh,
because we were doing Khan Academy.
oh.
And I wasn't here teaching.
Really? I thought you were saying.
There were some times I was there, yeah. But no, because I didn't do that.
You could probably get to my house to your ice cream. I can probably make it to your house.
He probably could.
I know where my microphone.
Luke knows where his math teacher lives too.
Luke lives like 5 minutes away.
Luke lives 2 blocks away from me.
Don't you live in a red house? Blue.
Okay, so talk to me about what is going on
Graded where?
in this story.
Oh, we're gonna do that anyway.
What?
You can use this as a wing.
Hans is starting like a lot, and
See if this desk is not at all.
Don't open that door. No, no, sit down. Do not open that door.
If I let go of this,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, just stuck outside.
actually this proves
And don't let
this
it.
side of the desk is down more because this is on the side. So if I were to go like this, if I were to go like this,
Yeah, that one not letting.
you should go to the middle. Right? If you make it go to the middle, it stays
We need to know his
in the
speed,
middle. It's so
and you know where he's starting.
you can move it wherever you want.
Well, how far are you the parking lot when it's starting? Yeah?
So normally it would tell you like the slope, so what do you do when it's written as a decimal?
Okay, so these are touches. So then you just have to. You
gotta add some-
equivalent of
No, 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 don't.
You got a little pocket in here, you can
No.
say why is some in there? And like hide them. They'll never know.
I had some enemies. I think it's because you were me.
Okay, so need to draw an equation.
I did.
We're in the equation for
Tommy came over to.
No, I was over to shut the door.
Okay, so we should be working on this.
You won't let me.
why it's negative?
Because
he's coming back. So
You stood up my face. What am I supposed to do?
slope is negative because he's returning to the parking lot.
First is gonna be positive.
And her is positive because she's going.
Oh, I see. Alright, so, we have some subjects we got already.
There is no variable. Is that super time? Okay, yeah. So you don't do no variable. That one's part time. Yes.
Okay, she asked.
So,
Again, Leah. Again.
Coming back.
They're going opposite directions. So she is he is going. Hannah's turning back to go return to it. So his distance from the parking lot is getting smaller. So let me give you the form that you can put this in. This is called slope intercept form.
But why wouldn't it just be like a small sliver off the top?
because there's not enough air.
Very quick.
But yeah, that's true.
Sorry about it.
Alrighty then.
This equation.
Leah.
Okay, then you have the key.
I just want to figure out what's going on, and I don't need to have fun about this conversation. Okay. Yes, it is. Good job.
Alright, we'll be.
So go ahead and do the second part.
Didn't bring it. So you weren't here. But
Okay. Yes.
I did all the work, so yeah. You're
Have
welcome.
fun.
so
Okay.
1
Your
hour.
equation would look like something like this.
It's coming through. It's about.
Yes. Do you have an equation?
You said 32, so we can't even go barely that far.
Okay, that line does not
Okay.
fit this.
So 1 is at 3.
Oh, this is distance. Yeah, so the, this is distance.
5.
So it would be D equals.
Yeah. Put black sharpie on it.
And what is this negative 2.4?
That's not right. You know what I'm saying?
What is that?
A
T
bit.
is time.
Is it actually weird or not big
T
enough?
is time.
Give me a
And a
second.
negative 2.4.
So we gotta do 0.6.
So right up here.
It doesn't really say. What do you think that 4.8 might be?
It's one below 4 because that would be 3.8.
What do you know about like this last B right here?
3.8.
Like what does that normally tell you on the graph? That last number that's out there.
3.8 or 3.2?
3.2 plus 0.6 would be 3.8.
If you were gonna graph
We
y
need
equals
0.6
B.
here. Did we make the one?
The 48
So
tells you
1 under
4.8
4?
tells you where to start.
1 over these things under 4.
And then that one tells you up and down. This one tells you up and down. So this is the speed, the change. And the 4.8 is the distance. Uh-oh.
This is in the bottom of my.
Oh, it's more than you
Looks like there's no air bubbles. Looks like there's no air bubbles. There's no air bubbles there, right? Tim, there's no air bubbles?
So the last thing we. I
It
think.
takes so long to get to the top. This part,
Okay, so this is
I'm just
Jada.
gonna say 0.6.
So we're going to label this one J.
so
And then the other equation
For bonds, you know what I mean?
is flip this over, Brayden. C. J.
and then that's why. And then now I'm getting it 2. well, you're not making it.
Wait.
Because I'm losing shield from the storm. 6.4. Even though I don't have shield.
Should I just get? I'm gonna guess.
I'm
So
going
2.4. So Brayden, you need to go to 2.4.
So cool. I like this. It's a magnifying glass. Yeah. Isn't that cool? Okay, you get it.
Brayden. Oh no.
Oh, your eyes are upside down. You're a snake. You're a snake. Look, it's a. How do I look?
Looks like skippers because I think it's
Brayden with big eyes.
do that.
Dude, it's a magnifying glass. It's sick.
Okay, so
Find the
what we do
point
next
two
is we
graphs.
drop the
So you have to close one eye.
Oh wait, no.
That's so weird.
0.
He starts at 4.8.
So that'd be like right from
Is that actually great?
Oh, orange.
Ooh.
Totally.
Right here.
I really do. I would.
I accept your apology, but you're gonna have to be released.
Okay.
I'm gonna have
So
to
you need
release
1 at
you.
2.4, and then 1 at just 2 and 0. Good line.
Isn't that?
And at 0 or where? Zero.
Yeah, that's.
I'll use my finger. Look. Look at this. You go like this.
I mean? So like when it starts
Yeah.
off right
And
I
then.
do the dot right there and then I'll double check with her first and then down.
I'm just putting
down,
one more.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, that is a good one.
But I'm gonna try with this thing.
You need to take some water out of it.
Yeah.
Right in. Oh my goodness, this is perfect.
Wait, let me see. This is like the perfect.
I don't know.
You see the little tiny at the bottom.
We're breathing.
Oh yeah, because it's 9 is just and then you go
Oh shoot, it started spinning.
down to
If you were to spin it on this, notice how it can stand up. Like, if you were to go like this, it like actually spins it on the cap. We do this in Lego right away. And
Well, then it was
look at it. The cap spins.
I'm gonna take a nap. Once in a while.
Wait, Brayden, you hold on to the cap. Like this.
oh maybe
Off the shoulder this and then like short and then this bit.
oh yeah
Okay. So we have our line.
Yeah, we're done now.
I don't know. Why don't you ask Leah?
Here, Sam, let me try.
That's perfect.
You honestly don't want to go fast. You just want to do it high. That's not gonna work.
oh my god you're right
I am really? Oh my god! I did. Oh.
Luke, here.
Oh my god. I think I did it. I wanted to put this on my
Luke, this is like the perfect.
Sit down.
She just harassed me. I was gonna get a tissue.
Okay,
I should not have to babysit any of my students.
I think this might be right.
But I spend a lot of time babysitting 8th grade.
Mrs. Cummings, we think we have the answer for the graph.
Awesome.
I think I might, but I don't know if it's for sure right. So this is Hans, because once you start at 4.8, and it seems weird if you go over 4, because then you're right there.
Yeah.
If you go down 2, so I went
Take some
over
water.
2,
Drink some
down
water.
4.
Well, you should be doing rise over run, so over, you should go down 4.8 and over 1. So 4.8, so 0.8 would get you to 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4.
There you go.
I gotta get on.
Be on the right track. Wait, did your point go to 1 and 3 points?
Wait, let me try.
Something. 2
Something
points.
that won't make noise.
2 over the 2. No, it needs to be done here.
So this needs to be right there.
This needs to be at 2.2.
So I have to move it right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so the line should be going that way.
That's
Not to extend. Class. Bethel, have a seat, please. Okay, so let's talk about the equations.
No, that's not.
Somebody tell us what the equation they got. What did you get?
D equals 3.2t plus 0.6.
Who else got that one? Did anyone else get that? You agree? You agree? Did you guys? Different variables, but yes. Awesome. Okay. So then, what was hard about graphing this?
Nothing?
There's decimals.
Ariam?
Why did you forget? It's fine.
This is coming back.
I made like a ton of mistakes. I started at 4.8, but I didn't know whether to like use that 2.4 as like 2.4 over 1 or 2 over 4. So, and then I heard you explaining it to Marisol, and then I kind of.
Good. Sam, what was hard for you?
None of it.
I mean, what about this graphing made it harder?
It didn't have like a.
The other one had, well, probably the decimals.
The decimals? Yeah. When I was doing this this morning in preparation, I had to graph it a couple times because I messed up. A couple times.
So we're smarter than you.
Okay.
Probably not.
So, let's talk about how to graph this. Sam, please don't do that.
Why?
Because it's a distraction to other people from learning.
You just tell.
Are you ever gonna?
Yeah, he does.
Yeah. I refilled it this morning, Tommy.
Ladies and gentlemen, leave it alone. See, Sam, that's why doing that gets everybody off track. And now, instead of dealing with math, we're dealing with your water bottle. And how many times do you refill it? And like you shouldn't have to answer that. Who cares? Okay. Let's start with Hans distance. So where do we need to start for Hans distance? 4.8?
Yeah.
Okay. These go up by what, 2s?
3.
Yeah, I didn't realize that at first, so everything got messed up. So here's 4.8. And the equation is negative 2.4. Okay. So when you have a number and it doesn't have it's not in a fraction, it's over 1. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we're going to go down 2.4 and over 1. The way that I found this easiest to do is I went down 2, I went down like a whole 1, then a whole another 1, and then I did 0.4, so 0.2, 0.4, and then I went over to 1.
Wait, where are you then now?
So I am at 2.2, 2.4. 1, 2.4.
Wait, so 1 and then, I'm at 3.
If you don't have your dot at 1 and comma 2.4, let's fix it.
Mrs. Jones, I have an easier way.
You have an easier way?
Well,
What is your way?
I figured out that for T, if you double it, it's negative 4.8 plus 4.8.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just 2, 0.
Okay.
This was very confusing. Yeah.
I like the way you did that. He's saying that if you double 2.4, it's going to be 4.8. And so this is already 4.8. So you can just go to 2. Well, that would be
Right at the end.
this one.
Yeah.
So you could just go there and just connect the 2 lines. I like that, Sam.
Wait, why would you do that?
Yeah.
Because it's easier.
Because you don't have to count halves.
Oh, okay.
Let's look at Lynn's. Where does Lynn start?
0.6.
He starts at 0.6.
Oh,
2,
is it he?
4, 6. She.
Okay.
Sorry.
I was very confused.
And then what's her speed?
3.2.
3.2.
Yeah.
So you're gonna go up 3.2 and over 1. So I'm gonna go up 3.
Why
One.
did I do that for this? Not
Wait, where'd she start 6?
0.6. So this would be 1, comma, 3.8.
3.8. Oh my god. I'm so far.
Because you're starting at 0.6 and then you're going up 3.2. 3.2 plus 0.6 is gonna be 3.8.
7. Yes.
Okay?
Still have Can we get another one?
So what is this point right here?
The lines where they see each other.
Yeah, that point signifies when they cross each other's paths.
Forgot. You can just sign out. Mr. Hill.
Would it be like 0.76, 2.99 to 3?
How about 0.75, comma 3?
Yeah, I guess that would work.
Yeah.
0.75, comma 3. What does that point mean? What does it signify?
Where they meet.
Yes, it's where they meet and when they meet. So when do they meet?
They meet at
0.35.
3 and 0.75.
Yeah, but what is 3 what is 3 and what is 0.75?
3 is
The
the
Y and
distance, how far they are, and 0.75 is the time
Yeah.
it took.
3 is how far or where. 3 miles from the parking lot. And 0.75 is how long they have to walk to do that. What is 0.75 of an hour?
70. Oh.
No, like
What-
45?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. So after 45 minutes and 3 hours, they meet. Okay.
Can we like do another one that's like really similar to this, because then maybe I'll get it right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This was.
Yes. Let me look at, I don't have the, I didn't give you guys the practice problems today. Okay, yeah, let's do the next one, the stacking cups. Stacking cups. Okay. Let's take a look. With your partner, it says a stack of n small cups has a height of 1.5 n plus 6. And a stack of n large cups has a height h in centimeters of 1.5 n plus 9.
What?
Yes.
Oh wait. Before this whole thing or whatever,
Uh-huh.
this whole minute.
No, less.
Well, you had y equals mx plus b. What's that mean?
So that is a form for the equation.
Gravity slope.
For these equations, remember the slope plus b is the starting point when you're graphing?
So it's those letters.
Well, yeah.
That's basically what it, but it's like the.
It's like if you don't have any
Foundation.
numbers.
You know how like in
Oh.
science there's at equals m.
So we learned that a long time ago.
Yeah. Yes, you did.
She mentioned it, and then yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
You must have been living like you did.
Oh, somebody brought it up at basketball practice, and they were like, "Yeah, we're just learning that
What?
now."
Why you look
And
at
I was like, "I don't know."
Yeah. They're just learning it now, but I have been pre-loading you guys.
They're like obsessed with it. Yeah.
What's with back people and stacking
Stacks
stuff?
of paper.
Yeah.
What is up with this? I need help.
I'm on first year back.
Oh, well,
A stack
higher.
I don't even care.
The white's gonna
I'll
be
drink my
taller.
mini shield.
Winner.
Because the rim's thicker.
Because the rim is thicker.
Yeah. Oh shoot. Brayden.
So if we were going to give them, if we were going to talk about,
Do you drink water?
the rim is 1.3, right? So every time you stack it, it goes up 1.3, yes?
Yeah. Could they just make it 1.5?
Yeah, we can make it 1.5. And then what does this height tell you?
what does that say? 9.2?
9.2.
That's how much it's it's plus 6, so it'd be the plus B.
Okay. So if we were talking about this and we were going to write an equation, what would the equation be for this cup?
1.5x, because I don't know what they're doing, plus 9 point whatever that is.
This is how tall it is, right?
Yeah.
If we were going to stack them, it starts at 9.2. When we put another cup on there, is it going to be plus another 9.2?
No, plus 1.3.
So it's going to be, what, 10.5? The next one?
Yeah. I don't
And then the
know.
next one is going to be 11.8?
It would be much easier if we just rounded them.
I know, but it's not going to really work if we round them.
No, oh yeah, you're right. But it says on here that it's like 1.5 plus 6, 1.5 plus 9.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we're going to get to that.
Height.
Okay? So those are, so if we were stacking this cup, this is what the heights would be, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you guys following along, or are you kind of lost in this conversation?
Arian do all the work once again.
You're following? Give me a thumbs up if you're following along. Like you're like, not that you're necessarily guiding it, but you. Okay. Okay. So what about this guy? Oh. Where is my black marker? So at some point, these are going to be the same height, right?
My blue cup is catching up.
No, it's right down.
No, it's right.
Right?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, and on this
No
thing, what if they keep on going up?
No
the white one's
way.
gonna win.
Count it.
They're the same height, though, right?
No, that's because there's more white cups than blue cups.
I don't care how many there are, but are they the same height?
Yes, they are.
Okay.
See, there's like,
they are.
there's like 25 white cups
Well,
and there's
at
about
some
like
point
14
they-
blue cups.
Mm-hmm.
That's such a. It's because the rooms are bigger and it looks bigger. There could be.
Shut up.
I don't like this. I don't like this.
The blue one is bigger, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's taller with the rims thinner.
So if there's just one of them, the blue one is taller.
Yeah.
If there's 20 of them,
They're the same thing. They're the same thing.
if there's 20 of them, the white one is is bigger, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're right.
Anything else you notice or wonder?
I know.
I knew that.
Totally. Yep.
Okay. Where is the other? Oh, here. This is what I meant to press.
This one.
Okay. So this one is y equals 1.3x plus 9.2. And this one,
Why did they put the decimal point on the page like after? Oh no, that's a period.
where? Okay, I can't tell.
It's okay.
What is the? I want you to just write the equation down for this one.
Let's have it last.
Just somewhere on your paper, go ahead and write the equation down for this one.
It doesn't have any
I
left.
can't see it.
This number is 12.1.
I'll be right
Oh,
back.
that's fun.
What number?
So,
Not gonna write down now.
0.6.
Hold on, yeah, I'm looking at it so I can see it easier. It is 0.8. 0.8.
that's your point. Oh, my
Failed my vision test.
Yeah.
0.8.
I used to have 20.
I've never had 20/20 vision.
Legally blown.
I mean, right
Okay.
now I do.
Check it with a partner. Check and see. Someone near you. Did you write the same equation down?
100%.
What did you write down? You didn't write anything down. Yeah.
Like 10 seconds ago.
Yes. Did you guys get it? Beautiful.
I just think it's
Really weird, but like.
10 minutes out.
Good. Did you? Okay, good. So, at some point, these are going to intersect, right?
Yeah.
At some point, how many cups do you need? How many cups do you need for them to be the same height? I want you to work with your partner.
Okay, so
How many cups do you need?
we use y equals x because I already know it's going to be, that it's just easier.
That's fine, yeah.
Okay. then I'm still.
You guys all have the same, if I saw your equation, you have the right equation?
Okay, so
That's
y equals 1.3.
Where's the other one?
plus-
Yeah, that's the other one. So, when are there gonna be the same amount of cups?
Okay, can I, do this thing where it's like, and then it's equal?
Yeah, for sure. There's a couple ways you guys can know how to solve
Okay,
this.
so.
You get this one.
Thanks. You wanna like keep on adding until we become the same and I will
You guys want a piece of graph paper?
Thanks.
she did that.
Oh, screw you. I didn't take that one.
She goes like, basically,
Wait, this thing's broken.
equals, it's supposed to be equal to 0.
You guys want,
Oh, that's it.
Oh, it's,
yeah, so, you know those cups are gonna be the same. You can graph if you want to.
Not high enough.
You guys wanna graph? You wanna graph those?
Rate, erase, rate, erase,
Yeah. Just show the clip one more time. We can count how many cups.
You can do like whatever you want.
Ooh, this was cool.
And 5 and
You guys wanna-
every
Graph? No?
5 cups.
What's your plan for solving?
It smells like nail polish. Smell it.
At 5 cups for each
This
side.
equation is
Yeah, it is.
It's not true.
Yeah, it is. I know.
And then, so I'm trying to figure out what
Sorry,
it
Liz.
is, and that would be different cups.
Yeah. Do you agree with way you're doing it? Do you like that way?
Can you go like this?
What would it look like if you're doing this with a graph?
You can use your thumb, you cheater.
I'm not cheating.
You see your thumb, you're going like. It's so hard with this big
This would be
What
the
do you mean? You
slope
think
and then
you're
this
good,
would be
bro?
the white side.
It's so bad.
I don't wanna do this.
Oh, the snakes.
Yeah, that works.
This is like, you literally can catch this every time you throw it. It's
I asked you. Yeah, this has an
what?
Literally catch it every time you throw it.
I'm gonna guess what time it is.
Shoot.
1:46.
Why don't we graph?
What?
You saw the concept.
Oh, look, this thing can keep turning. Look.
Oh my god.
Or,
Sam, look.
This is what I did. Here you go.
Look, what time do you stand last
Right?
night?
so you could set that.
2:30?
Right? But there's no
9:30?
12.
Oh, wait, I'm feeling.
I think I stayed up until 1.
I feel so bad for you guys. Me and Logan have sleepover. Me and Logan have sleepover.
So, how many cups does it take? No. That's too much. Because, Sam,
Brandon, I fixed it.
I already guessed like 9 of each. No, 8 of each.
Team.
at 1, the blue one is taller.
Man, that blue one's slow.
Can you play it again, Mrs. Cummings?
At 20, the white one is taller.
Oh, this marker.
You're not.
The one thing that always annoys me about these puzzles is like when you were to go erase something, you erase it, and you're going to press too hard, and then mud comes up the top, and you're like, bro, come on.
Another marker.
Oh, yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah, but I don't do that. You just write, and you go like this. And then it goes like,
Actually, surprised I had 2 of these.
I didn't give you guys the practice problems, did I?
what if when somebody did the flu shot, they accidentally like put it in your arm and like this?
Yeah, I just had.
And they got like needles broke,
You're
and
not
the needle was
saying it
stuck in
out
your
loud.
arm.
If I were so stupid, we went all the way through.
Imagine doing it in your arm and just like sitting on the back end.
My uncle, he got it.
And then taking a bath and like putting all this.
Stop laughing. He said like shot wise, it just felt like a normal flu shot.
What if
Imagine
they?
not having.
No, the only thing.
Imagine not getting a nail and no cold.
The only thing that's about flu shots is like if you go in your arm and then like you freak out and like they go like this.
Or like
And the whole needle moving your whole arm.
The time is
And then like it's
1:48.
And the needle just like goes on.
Okay, Brandon.
You know what? I don't know.
I was in a sleepover with Logan, and I was, we called dreams and stuff, and you guys know what it does. You had to go to get up, we had to get off the Xbox at like 9:30. At PS4.
No, it's not the same.
We had to get off at 9:30.
You do
And
not
you had to watch a
get
movie.
coronavirus if you are, when you get the vaccine.
That would kind of be dumb.
Yeah.
Called it. I literally called it.
I am printing the practice problems up for you for homework.
11.
We just do something in the review.
Not doing anything, they don't understand anything.
I have 2
I can give you the rest of it. How much longer do you have? I'm gonna give her like 3 shots.
If we can say
Stop talking because the longer you're talking to me, the more I'm not.
And then you do this and you like snap it.
That's so wait.
And
Yeah, still no service.
2.1.
Let me see the video.
Do this.
This is insane. I
Look
can't.
at this.
Okay. Yeah, let's get out your. First, you're having your time.
Should probably go by this. This says the
Doesn't make sense. How do you have a fraction of a cup?
Wait, Greg, would that work?
And then you like attach it. And then it's like
Oh,
stuck in your arm.
So I'm using the calculator.
Okay, you guys, your homework for the weekend is to finish this problem.
Shoot, this isn't work. Look. If I were to write something, look.
Class. Your homework for this weekend, finish this problem and
Down that
do
hard.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right.
12.3 stacks of cups. So how many cups do you have?
5.
The thing about these is like, you're right,
Yes.
and then you're used to going like this.
Class.
Yes.
I got the answer.
Your homework for this weekend is to finish this cups problem and the cups problem in your 12 points whatever packet, this white packet here.
This is coming. It's time for your coach.
So you do.
Hey, white, mark your homework down, write down.
Hold it like
Get your
this.
second dose.
You hold it like this.
I get it next
So you write your name, right?
Friday.
My grandma already got it. We had no effect.
Good. I have had a lot of friends and acquaintances say they get sick.
Dude, I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
two
take
of my
that shot.
cousins, well, my aunts and my cousin are nurses, and then they, well,
Yeah, I'm not gonna take that shot because I don't want to like.
we might even not have to get it because, you know, kids' immune system are way
Yeah,
back.
I'm just gonna skip that and stick with the ball. The worst part about shots.
the only time I ever got the flu, I just felt tired.
The worst part about shots are when they like come in and they have a shot in their hand. And after they get it.
It's not good. I need you to stop talking.
I got this head this up, my arm
I
right
need you to
now.
stop talking. 2. I need you to stop talking. 1. Your homework for tonight is to finish this cups problem that we were working on. I'll post a link to the videos and stuff online in case you want to see it again. And the cups problem in this packet. There's 2 problems, both cups problems.
And the worst part is when they walk in,
The graph,
they've got the
cup
needles on the
problem
tray.
that you're working
Yeah.
on.
As they're like swabbing her arm.
And there's a cup
Yeah, I know, maybe they're like dabbing on it, the numb.
Yeah.
The numb, it works the
I never get a numb because they always just like clean it.
No, I meant like, yeah, they rub it on and dab it. So it's like smoother.
I think I
What if
can
they put it in the wrong spot?
I remember when I was getting,
It's your veins, like,
I remember
It's still there.
Luke, right in, I got the 6th grade, you know how you had to get like all the shots and everything?
oh yeah, that.
They screwed up and they gave me the wrong one.
You're lucky you didn't die.
No, they gave me another one that was
You're lucky you didn't die.
I got, and there were 2 that you had to get. One that was recommended and then one that was recommended.
Luke, okay, would you rather get 6 shots? One right here, 1, 2, 3, 4,
You'd rather get 6
5,
shots or 1
6?
or 6.
Would you rather get 2 on your leg and both hands, or 6 in one on like the same time? You want like it'll go like
6 on 1 arm.
You'd rather have an IV in your arm or in your leg?
You know what? My jumper is honestly, I think I will go and upset. I don't like to go like this. So I think
But the brain freeze would kill you.
you just go with like dress code, so I can't actually wear it. But I wish I could. For this,
Well, that would lose it. Still depends. Would you have to get your indicator or would you be born
and then like a skirt in the back.
Right now you just
yellow
have your
arms
arms
on it.
Oh, then that.
What's on the computer? Stop recording. Miss Cummings, can I stop recording this? Bye. Hold up. What's up?
They hold the brain hanger.
Bye, guys.